In this video, I'll show you how to make a time bar in just 2 minutes. This is empty project. First, you make an image to 500, height to 50, set the color to black, name is BG, duplicate this, make a child of this object, name this bar, change the color to green, set its width 492, height to 42, and set this anchor point to Alt and Shift to middle right, like this. Now move in the center of this object. Go to Asset Store and search Lean2In and import the Lean2In. Now make a script, name it bar, open up in Visual Studio. First add using dented pixel. Now take a reference, public game object bar and public integer time. Now make a function, public void animate bar. Just type lean2in.scalex bar to 1 and time, and call this function in the start method. So we will animate its scale from 0 to 1. So right now set to 0, attach the script to main camera, assign the reference bar and set the sign to 5, and now hit play. The main beauty of this method is that you can add a callback method at the end of this function. So you can call any function after the animation is complete. So that's how you can make some life bar, health bar or an other time bar in just 2 minutes.